Hi friends, welcome to my channel Cooking with Manisha. Today I will show you how to make mixed nuts and chocolate mawa modaks. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. Modak is one of Ganpati Bappa's favorite sweet. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, add 1 cup of milk powder, one cup of milk, keep low flame. Keep stirring and make sure it doesn't burn. Keep a low flame. Keep stirring so mixture will start to thicken. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now mawa is ready. Now add half cup of date paste, about 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons of crushed mixed nuts, almonds, pistachio and cashew nuts. Turn off the flame because the pan is already hot enough. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Take the mixture out and put it in another bowl. Let the mixture cool down. Grease the modak mold with ghee. You can also make different flavor modak. Now your delicious mixed nuts with chocolate mawa modak is ready. If you like my mixed nuts with chocolate mawa modak recipe, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. And click the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Also check out my social media and other videos.